Hello everyone, myself Prabhat Ranjan, Assistant Professor in the Department of Hearing Impairment at Ashtavakra Institute of Rehabilitation Science and Research. Today I am going to discuss on the topic scheme and policies for children with special needs CWSN. So as a defined scheme and policies for children with special needs or government lead initiative designed to promote inclusive education, ensure equal opportunities and support the holistic development of children with disabilities. Then objective first is remove barrier to education for CWSN. Second thing, provide barrier and compulsory education in an inclusive classroom. Next is offer financial supports, assistive device and specialized services. Next thing, promote accessibility, empowerment and independence. Next thing, train teachers and inclusive practices and individualized instructions. Next scheme is Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan SSA Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan launched by 2001 as a Ministry of Human Resource Development. Now it's called Ministry of Education. So as objective to provide free and compulsory elementary education class 1st to 8 to all children in the 6 to 14 age group under the Right to Education Act 2009. Key features: universal access to elementary education. Next thing, bridging gender and social category gaps. Next thing, improving quality of education through teachers training, learning materials and curriculum reforms. A special focus on children with special needs, scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and minorities, provision of infrastructures like classroom, toilet, drinking water, etc. Support for CWSN, resource room for inclusive education, appointment of special educators, provision of aids, appliances and corrective surgeries, IEP, individualized education plan and home-based education for severe disabled children. Then objective, ensure inclusive education by integrating CWSN into mainstreaming education. Key features: identification and assessment of CWSN. Next is provision of aids, appliances and assistive devices. Next is home-based education for severely disabled children. Next is teachers training on inclusive practices. Next thing, resource room with special educators. Next scheme is rights of children to free and compulsory education RTE Act 2009. Provisions, guarantees for free and compulsory education for children aged 6 to 14 years including CWSN, mandates infrastructures, accessibility and reasonable accommodation, promote inclusive classroom and anti-discrimination policies. Next is policies right of person with disability RPWD Act 2016. As a key features, expand disability categories to 21, provides reservation in higher education 5% and employability 4%, ensure accessibility, inclusive education and individualized supports. maintains barrier-free infrastructures in educational institutions. Next is Integrated Education for Disabled Children IEDC scheme. Status merged into SSA in 2010. Purposes provide financial assistance for integrating children with disabilities into regular school, support areas, escort allowances, reader allowances, purchase of aids and appliances. Next point is inclusive education for disabled at secondary stage IEDSS. Then objective to enable all children to pursue 4 years of secondary schooling. Next is provide support services like resource teachers, aids and readers. Next is scheme National Policy for Persons with Disability 2006. Goals: equal opportunity and full participation of persons with disabilities, focus on education, vocational training and employment, encourage inclusive education and curriculum adaptation. Next scheme is scholarship scheme for CWSN by Government of India and state pre-matric and post-matric scholarship, financial aids for purchasing assistive devices, reimbursement for tuition, books and uniforms. Next is scheme Deen Dayal Disabled Rehabilitation Scheme DDRS. Purpose: financial assistance to NGOs for providing service to persons with disabilities, including early intervention program, special education centers, awareness and training program. Next is scheme National Trust Scheme for Autism, Cerebral Palsies, Mental Retardation, Multiple Disabilities. Some notable scheme: Samarth, Respite Care Homes, Garonda, Groups Home Adults, Niramaya Health Insurance, Sayogi, Caregiver Training, Prerna, Support for Making Product Made by Person with Disability. Next is scheme Accessible India Campaign, Sugamya Bharat Abhiyan. Focus on creating barrier-free access in built environment, transport system and ICT ecosystem. Impact: improve accessibility in school and public place for CWSN. Now conclusion: these schemes and policies are aimed at promoting inclusive education, enhance accessibility, providing financial and institutional support, ensure equal rights and opportunity for CWSN. I hope you understand this topic. Likes, subscribes our channels.